Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I am going to show you how I made some simple red velvet cake pops inspired by Lunar New Year. So in a mixing bowl, I added some ingredients and mixed it all well together. If you're interested in this red velvet cake pop recipe, the ingredients are in the video description. So this is basically how I like to mix my ingredients. I like to mix the wet ingredients first and then incorporate the dry ingredients. So I just got this baby cakes dessert maker to test out, and this is my first time using it to make cake pops. Honestly, the cake pops from the cake pop maker taste different than if you were to roll the balls by hand. The cake pops from the cake pop maker definitely taste more cakey. It's not necessarily a bad thing, I just wanted to let you know that there is definitely a difference. So anyways, I baked the cake pops in this cake pop maker, and then afterwards I let the cake pops cool completely before covering them in melted chocolate. And then before the melted chocolate dried, I covered it with sanding sugar and other edible sprinkles. And then finally I added a tiny edible icing flour. And that's pretty much it on how to make these red velvet cake pops. They're pretty simple to make because I definitely saved time by using a cake pop maker. So do you celebrate Lunar New Year? And if so, what kind of foods do you like to eat during Lunar New Year? Are you usually the one receiving red envelopes or giving red envelopes? If you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.